Magnitude 6.6 quake rattles central Philippines. A magnitude 6.6 earthquake shocked several provinces in Bicol region and the Visayas Tuesday morning, and state seismologists say that aftershocks are expected. The strong quake was centered 5 kilometers southwest of Cataingan town in Masbate, and it rattled a large swath of central Philippines. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the PHIVOLCS, the tremor that struck at 8:03 in the morning was felt in Bicol provinces, in the Visayas, and in Quezon province. It occurred at the shallow dip of 1 kilometer. Its magnitude was initially placed at 6.5. Initial damage report by the Masbate Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council indicate that some structures collapsed and cracks were seen in the buildings, including the town hall in Cataingan. Infrastructures were also damaged in Usong town. Intensity 4 was recorded in Mapanas, Northern Samar, Legazpi City, Albay, and Leso, Aklan. Intensity 3 was recorded in the city of Iloilo, while Intensity 1 was recorded in President Rojas Capiz. Meanwhile, instrumental intensities were likewise reported in the following areas. Intensity 5, Masbate City, Masbate. Intensity 4, Palo, Leyte, City of Iloilo, City of Rojas, Capiz, Naval, Biliran. Intensity 3, City of Bago, Negros Occidental, Malinaw, Aklan, Hamindan, Capiz, Ormoc City. Intensity 2, Gumaca, Quezon, City of Sipalay, Negros Occidental, Valderrama, Antique, Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Talibon, Bohol, San Francisco, Cebu. Intensity 1, Malay Aklan, City of Ginguog, Misamis Oriental. Earlier on Monday, 5 quakes with magnitude ranging from 2.5 to 4.6 also struck Cataingan town. The Philippines sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, where continental plates collide, causing frequent seismic and volcanic activity.